I don't think we shipped any. Daniel, you added on this Bowamn. We already had your other one packaged, but we unpackaged it. We'll put this in with that one. Also closed at 6 o'clock, bud. It's 8 o'clock. But I saw you put it in, so I'll go ahead and do it for you, man. Close at 6 o'clock Monday through Friday. Unless we got a lot of breaks going on, we stay late. All the other breaks came through before 6. See you, Noah. Have a good night. I'm working on that. I already forgot your name again. New Toy Collector. What's your name again, New Toy? Your real name? I don't know why I can't remember that one. But I'm sold out of contenders right now. I'm working on it. Alright, Eagle Zach. Have a good night, man. See you tomorrow, dude, if you swing by. Oh, Nick, you. Yeah, I pre-sold out of my cases. I'm working on getting more. Apparently this stuff is going to be super hot. Alright, Daniel's just looking for numbers and colors. And autos, of course. Roger, Roger. Tim Lynch and Andy Yerzy. We pulled his 101 earlier out of Elite. Andy Yerzy. Will Benson autograph number 1. Yeah, I sold all mine out at 130 and 149 or 147 or something, and then I was out. Anthony Banda, blue to 250. Brian Reynolds, purple to 250. Ben Bowden, Nick Hansen, just a teal. Those aren't numbered, but they are colored refractors. Bryson Brigman, $4.99, and JB Woodman, 150 blue. Recap it, Daniel, Ben, Brian, and Will. Thanks again, Daniel Sco. I appreciate it.